Today, we're here to celebrate the achievement of a milestone in your life. Before you walk across this stage and are recognized for your accomplishments, I'd like to issue a challenge to each of you. Be so good they can't ignore you. Take it to the next level. Be so good they can't live without you. The lessons that you learn, and yes, even the setbacks you face, those are how you grow. You are powerful. The Clayton State community is powerful. Don't let anyone tell you differently. Small efforts can have outsized impact. I cannot wait to see what your impact is. Thank you and congratulations, class of 2025.
Hello, my name is Elisabeth Lilja Islevsdottir. I'm a dual degree major in mathematics and chemical engineering. My favorite memory from Clayton State is all the faculty, and I think that will be a very hard loss for me to say goodbye to everyone here. It's such a big family, and I think the faculty here helped me so much to become who I am as a person and pursue the degree I just got today. In January, I will start my studies at Georgia Institution of Technology. I will pursue and finish my chemical engineering degree.
Hi everybody, my name is Malik Endow. I have my family, and friends with me today. Some of them on the side too. Computer science bachelors. Just take advantage of the school, your opportunities, resources. Be yourself, actually take a leap of faith and walk into any door and own it like it's yours. So what's next? I will be working in Atlanta as a UI UX designer. We definitely have birthdays, Christmas, all the great things to celebrate with the holidays. But most importantly, just spending time together with my family, all that missed out time that was spent in the books. Now I get to spend that on them.
My name is Kiera Anduit. I have my family here, from my sisters to my dad to my cousins, my siblings, my nieces, my nephews, and my boyfriend. If you're seeing this, the advice I have for you is just keep going. Don't give up. Even if it get hard, if you got dreams, follow them. Everything is going to work out. It's always going to be worth it in the end. So with the holidays coming up, we're really big on family. We just want to spend time with each other. Just keep making more memories as the years go on. I've been at Clayton State since 2021. I did my 4 years here, and I'll be back for my master's.
My name's Thomas Almazan Macedo. My lovely parents on my left and my sister on my right. The most meaningful moment was whenever I finally decided to reach out to someone for help. It started making me focus a lot more on my studies. I started actively being in my community, working. I found a job here at the Hub. So what I have planned next, do a full-time position at Mercedes-Benz USA, which I'm currently interning at.
Hey guys, my name is Gina Intico. I'm here with my friends and my family, and I just graduated. What got me here was being resilient, never giving up, and hope. Who knows, maybe I might get a PhD, go to med school, maybe not. I'm looking forward to celebrating the holidays with my friends and family and bringing in the new year with them, and maybe a vacation. Go Lakers!
Will all the graduates please rise? Please move your tassels from the right to the left to signify the attainment of your degree. And I look forward to the success stories that are already in store for each and every one of you. God bless to each of you. Happy holidays, and go Lakers.